Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the November 2023 Sew Sampler to share with you. This is a monthly subscription box by Fat Quarter Shop, and I paid $37 shipped for this box. I believe it's 99 cents to sign up on their wait list. When we open the box, we have this insert, and this one says, "Friends are fur, F-U-R, ever." And on the back, we do have a code for 15% off of Fat Quarter bundles. And then we also get this, this little quilt pattern here as well. So tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and then Black Friday is the day after. I know for Fat Quarter Shop email subscribers, we did get VIP access to their 20% off their entire site sale that's been going on all week. I put my order in last night. There is also a mystery grab bag that comes with a $200 purchase as well while supplies last. I don't believe that you can double up on coupons or anything. Hopefully I didn't show that to you. And if I did, it doesn't matter because if you're not a subscriber, they'll know and they won't apply it anyway. But anyway, so I don't think that you can double up on coupons. So you either get the 20% off for Black Friday, or you would get the 15% off of your Fat Quarter bundle, which obviously 20% is more than 15%, but just so you know. But if you are interested in their Black Friday sale that's been going on this week, I will put a link in the description box below. Make sure you put that order in very soon so that you can get in on that mystery grab bag that they have before supplies run out. Inside, you'll find this foldable insert that tells you all of the contents of the box as well as the descriptions and the cost of each item. At the end, I will go ahead and tally up the total box contents versus the $37 that we spent on this box and see how much we saved. The first item we have are Wonder Clips by Clover. We never stop feeling wonder for Wonder Clips. These wonderful clips are sturdy and perfect for binding, English paper piecing, and textiles like flannel where pins just can't cut it. Basically, this beloved basic has so many uses and belongs in every sewing kit. And these are valued at $6.48. And I have to agree, I love my Wonder Clips. I use them, I wouldn't say all the time, but I definitely use them for slinkier fabrics, like when I'm working with minky or cuddle fabrics. I don't use them for flannel because I actually don't find that you need pins for flannel at all. It kind of like sticks to itself, which is, you know, they use it for design boards and things like that as well if you're thinking about the kind of stickiness of it. But yeah, so these are awesome. Go ahead and get yourself some if you don't already have some in your sewing kit. Next, we have this Metler thread. This is variegated Dusty Rose, 100% cotton silk finish thread. And this retails for $3.48. This is 50 weight thread that will keep things fresh and fun in the sewing room. This light variegated pink hue from Metler is sweet and strong, but won't overpower your fabrics. With 109 yards on a spool, you can use it to piece or quilt for a light pop of happy color on your next quilt. And I do actually have some clients that will use only variegated on their quilts, and it always turns out to be a fun little addition. Okay, these are really fun. This is something we've never seen in a box before. So these are a set of 2 small light wood classy clamps, and this is by Precision Quilting Tools. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, which means that you can only find it on the Fat Quarter Shop's website. I will link all of these items down in the description box below if you'd like to purchase any of these, especially for Black Friday or for the holidays if you have gifts that you need to give to somebody in your life that likes to sew or quilt. Anyway, these retail for $13.74. And it says laying quilts on the floor is sure to incur the quilty pet tax. Avoid it with this easy quilt hanging system. Classy clamps from Precision Quilting Tools are a quick and attractive way to hang your quilt. Follow the instructions to use the included clamps and screws to hang anything up to 1/4 inch thick. It's simply the perfect solution. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox these really quick and I will show you how you use them. So first they come with 2 screws right here. Those are pretty long screws, so that's good. And then you have these 2 clamps here. They do have a knob that just comes out like this with a screw attached to the knob that you can adjust for the thickness of your quilt or whatever you're going to be hanging. Personally, I think, just looking at these in person, I think that a wall hanging would be more appropriate for 2. And I could see if you had maybe, I don't know, maybe 6 of these that you could hang something larger, maybe like a 60 by 60 or something like that. And then who knows, maybe 8 to 10 for a slightly larger, and then so on and so on. But it is a really cute alternative to putting a rod and sleeve on the back of your quilts to hang. So super cute. Okay, and if you didn't already guess it, we do have Tula Pink's Best Besties fabric line here from the Friends Forever pamphlet that they included in this box. Obviously, we could tell it was Besties. And this says Balcony Besties Fat Quarter Bundle by Tula Pink for Free Spirit. This values at $38 to $98. And it says some friendships last forever. The Besties collection by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics pays homage to our constant quilting companions and other fuzzy friends. This set of 9 fat quarters showcases all the prints of the line, including Tula's trademark hidden menagerie. With a myriad of bright colors and hints of gold metallic, this fabric is sure to make a pawsome impression. All right, lots of big words in that description, and I hope I pronounced every single one of them right. But anyway, so here we have the dog print. This one is the goldfish print right there. And I'll go ahead and just, I always do this, I'll go ahead and put the fabric collection in the box up here so that you can see it. I know it's tough to see these fat quarters. The bunny print. Okay, so these are the main prints, it looks like. This one's the turtle, I believe. Is this? Yeah, this is the turtle. He got his little head poke in there. The kitty cats. All right, the hamster. And this is actually, I think, my favorite. I was considering purchasing this. I'm not going to purchase the line. I usually do purchase Tula Pink, but I'm not a fan of metallics. But I did think that this was super cute. Best friend in metallic. You know, if you have a best friend, or even thought of getting it for my daughter if she wanted to make a quilt for her best friend or something like that, I thought that was a really cute little thing. Maybe Tula would consider doing it in a non-metallic as well. And then there's one coordinating print here from the line, as well as this second one here. And these hearts are super cute too. Yeah, so check out her line. I'll put the link in the description box below if you like the Bestie prints. I wanted to see, hold on here. So I was thinking to myself, wait a minute, there's no metallics. And I know that I saw people online commenting, there's metallics, I don't like it, I'm not going to buy it. And I wasn't sure because looking at it, it doesn't look like there is, but there definitely is. So on this outline here around the silhouette of the dog, there's some gold metallic, as well as the stars on the bunny print. And then, of course, the best friend locket. And I think that that's it, just those 3 prints. Okay, next we have this balcony quilt pattern. This is by the Fat Quarter Shop, and it retails for $9.98. And this is a 60 by 60, yep, 60 by 60 inch quilt. And limited finishing kits are available at the Fat Quarter Shop. It says this quilt pattern is so simple yet sophisticated, you'll be shouting it from the balconies. The balcony pattern by Fat Quarter Shop shows instructions for 3 sizes and is just the design to flaunt the full-size prints in the Besties bundle from this month's box. From these little beasts, you can create so much beauty. All right, and here are the fabric requirements as well for the 3 different versions of this quilt. Okay, finally, we have our Pressed Flowers Quilt Along block number 8 for this month. This is the Pressed Flowers Quilt Along in full bloom. The garden-themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs for Motive Fabrics, and it will bring some fresh cut flair that you can keep forever. There are previous blocks, 7 of them, other than this one, 7 of them on Fat Quarter Shop's website. They retail for $4.98, so if you like this pattern and you want to see the other Pressed Flowers patterns, go ahead and check out Fat Quarter Shop. Like I said, I'll go ahead and post the link as well in the description box so that you can go there easily. All right, well, that's it for this month's box. I really hope that you enjoyed that. Please let me know in the description box below what your favorite item from this box was. I was happy to get the Besties fabric to see it in person for myself. I also thought these little guys were super cute and a really nice addition to a gift for another quilter. Or for yourself to hang on your wall somewhere back here, possibly a little wall hanging. So yeah, check these out, super cute. All right, I hope you enjoyed this month's box. I'll see you for the Jolly box that is shipping to me on Monday. So stay tuned for that. Everybody have a great holiday, and I'll see you soon. Bye.